Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop down list or how to make a drop down list on Excel. Okay, so if you want to make a drop down list, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this table and I want to create a drop down list of this employee name. Okay, so I want to create this drop down list of this employee name here. So how to do it? You have to just click on this cell where you want to create the drop down list. Okay, then here you will see data option. You have to just click on, in the ribbon you will see data option. You have to click on this data option, and then here you will see a option named data validation, whether it is written, or you have to just click on it and you will see data validation option. Now you have to click on it. Then what you have to do here, you have to go into the setting and then you have to click on it and now go to list. Now it will ask for source. You have to just click on this, and as you want to create the drop down list of this employee name, you have to select all the table, all the column, then click on OK. Now you will see drop down list has been created. So like this you can create a drop down list in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.